Hello, everyone, and welcome to the February 5th edition of the Jitsi Community Call. Let's just start around the table with the team. Any updates, team?
If you're using Firefox in current stable release, we have two known issues. One which only affects nightly. The other affects peer-to-peer with Chrome. Both of those will be fixed in our next release, which will be in the next few days.
Yeah, that's a good shout out. Thank you, Jonathan. Anyone else?
We are doing another effort of porting more metrics to Prometheus. So I'm going to open a PR this week, but basically all of the bridge metrics that are available through JSON right now will be available through Prometheus. We will be deprecating some of them, removing ones that are not useful and or not used. And I'm also planning to deprecate the extended metrics that we send in the MOOC. So I know some people are using things like components that sit in the MOOC and read the metrics. I urge you to consider using Prometheus for the same. It, I'm not trying to remove it anytime soon, but it will be behind the flag so that presence is kept lean. That's all.
Thank you, Boris.
I have few announcements as well. Like Jonathan mentioned, we had two Firefox bugs that we fixed. They're in the master, and then we'll be able to actually release a stable soon. And we had a bug with the Safari as well, where low resolutions were being sent from Safari to the other peer, only in the P2P call. So this has been fixed as well. And then I forgot to mention this in the last call. We deprecated Plan B support altogether. I mean, this Chrome has been running in unified mode for a while now, and then but we've removed all the code for Plan B. The minimum supported version is 22, but we are planning to bump it up to 96 because there are some performance issues in the older versions of Chrome. So if you are on a very old version, we recommend you to actually move to a more recent version. And yeah, and we've recently introduced support for 4K and Full HD. This should be in the master as well. I think it's in the last stable, but with few bugs. So we're gonna make another release for stable, and it should have all the fixes. So, and we are also testing AV1. I see a lot of posts in the community about AV1 support. So I wanted to, yeah, we have a post about enabling AV1 correctly. Follow the steps there. I mean, I can probably post the link in the chat here. And there is also a GCO4 bug that was fixed recently, but it's not in the latest stable. So you need to, if you're trying if you're testing AV1, please get the master or wait for the
I mean,
stable.
yeah, I mean, it was just a config default that was set badly. So if you're using an old one, you can manually set that config, but the default is set properly in the latest.
Yes. Yep. That's all.
Thanks, guys. Anyone else? All right, let's go to the floor. Arvind, I'm going to mute you because we can hear you type. Any questions from the floor? Go, Javier.
Okay. Hello. We're from Distance University of Madrid, and we use Jitsi at the university, and it's working so good. And we want to say thank you.
You're
But
welcome.
now we're facing problems with recordings. and more or less one of every 100 recordings ends with recording a black screen. It's like the video camera or the screen share and black, but in those meetings there were more people that were seeing the screens. We think this is happening also to users, but if you reload the page, you can see all the webcams. And we want we want to ask if you have faced any of these issues, or if you know how to troubleshoot this. Thank you for your time.
And are you is that so? Are you getting some recordings that have black screen and some that are working, or are they all having black screens?
And no, more or less one of 100. One of 100 recordings ends with a black screen. The other 99 are just fine.
And on the ones where you have a black screen, did you say that you were? Did you see the other videos of the users, or is everything black?
Yes, and we have recordings with only one person, but when there's more people, you could see the miniature with video, but the main screen
Okay, so it's just
is
the screen that's
black.
cropping up.
But if we asked it to the users that were on the meeting and they were watching the screen,
I haven't heard about an issue like that. Has anyone else here heard about it? Have you checked whether there's any indications in the Ghibli logs about something that
we
might have?
we checked the logs and we opened an issue on the community forum, but we didn't say. We saw that the video bridge wasn't bridging the media source.
Was not bridging
I
the media
mean,
source.
in the JavaScript logs of the recorder, we don't see a new forwarding source from the video bridge.
Do you have the logs from the video bridge?
Yes, we have.
We can look there to see if the reason was because of bandwidth estimations.
And no, it was not. There weren't logs about bandwidth estimation. And
Okay.
when that's the problem, we see like 3 dots showing low bandwidth.
Can you post the link to the community forum that you have? I'll try to look into it.
Yes.
Thanks, Boris. Thanks, Javier.
Mm,
So Boris is going to have a look at that. Thank you, Javier, for posting the link here.
okay, so, thanks to you.
Any other questions? No, right? Well, thanks everyone for stopping by, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.